women's happiness. So if you have Filipina girlfriend, you can give this one to her so that you don't need to spend a lot of money. Good morning! How are you today? I'm back! I'm so happy because my video last night, I worked too hard on that video because I edited that very late and posted that very late, but I'm very still thankful and grateful with all your support. So many comments there I've received, and it was all about you guys concern and have cares for me. So yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate those people who really supported me a lot and show their care, show their love. I'm so grateful. So today is the first day of the week, my countryside diary, first day of the week, and yeah, we'll see what will gonna happen today. There's gonna be a lot for sure because in the farm we have workers, and here in the house I don't have assistant anymore. I cut off everything so that I can save money for the project. I don't know what will gonna happen today. I think my brother will be the one to take videos for me, or me myself only have to do a lot of hard work. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of things going on. It's my first day that I don't have assistant anymore because I want to save just for the house sake. Hopefully, but before the month end, there's gonna be a lot things done, hopefully. Yeah, all right, without further ado, let's start for today's vlog. I love you all. Good morning, Scott. Hello. She had a bath the other day, guys. So I have breakfast, and my breakfast is ready. Thanks to mom. She always do this every morning, guys, because she knows that I work hard every day, filming and editing and more. I manage 3 accounts rather, Patreon, YouTube, and Facebook. So yeah, and she really understands about my hard work. That's why she always surprises me every morning. I have sweet potato and 2 eggs. She don't have to do that, guys, but she only do that because she loves me. Scotty, what are you scratching for? What are you scratching for? Wow, it smells so good. Oh my god, we have less stocks today, so I need to go to the grocery, guys. This is the only food we have left. Look, no more, just noodles. No, even Milo, and this is our the ingredients is fine, and I have dried fish. All right, guys, so my sister-in-law is selling some bouquet of flowers. And look at that, how she make this. It's all handcraft. Roses, no? Roses. And this one, sunflower. Wow! It looks like orange flower. And more here. And this is the finished product. She will cover this one with plastic. Look. Look at the tulip. I like blue. And yes,
nice.
It's really
for
nice.
Valentine's or any occasion.
Yeah, and that's only $2.30 per bouquet of flower. It's perfectly good. She's doing a lot like that every day. Did you sold anything? Halina nakati. Oh, she sold some. That's good. I'm done! Oh my god, I'm so fresh now, and what I'm gonna do after here is I'm gonna unbox all my parcels. Then we go to the farm, gym, and market. Right here with you. Nothing else matters right now. So this is the parcel I received, and this one will helps me a lot for me to save money going to the salon, because I keep going to the salon, guys, for my nails, especially when there is special occasion. Of course I need my nails, but I have to travel 3 hours away from here just to get to the salon that I really like. So since I know now how to do my own nails, what I'm doing is I bought something for me to save money. So this one, it cost me $20, and if I go to the salon, it cost me around $10 to $16 every time I go there, and that's for the nails only. Manicure only. Pedicure is another $10. It's too expensive. So now I realize, what if I will buy my own equipments or materials, nails materials, just for me to save and for me to learn how to do it. So yeah, this is what I bought. I'll show you guys. So one box, it's so many, as you can see. So this one is to drill. Look at that. Oh, that's for the nails to remove. I know men cannot relate this, but I love it. And different types of nail colors. 22 pieces! Oh my god, Lord. With the gel, everything, and for the art design, nail art design. And the tools, look at the tools, so many. Then beads for the nail design. And of course, this one. This one is to dry your nail polish. Nail gel polish. To dry quickly. Hala, I'm so happy, guys. For $20, I have everything. And I can learn how to do nail arts. I love it. It's women's happiness. So if you have Filipina girlfriend, you can give this one to her so that you don't need to spend a lot of money just for her nails. So it's time for you to give this to her. You can buy this from TikTok for only $20 for everything, guys. The tools, the remover, this one, the driller, the dryer, the wipes, and 22 pieces of nail color selections. And this is gel polish. So everything you need is here. You don't need to send your Filipina to the salon to spend a lot of money. Just go to TikTok and buy this package. Go TikTok, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is my happiness because I live in the mountain where there is no salon at all. And there is salon in the town, guys. It's only regular polish. One thing I like about gel polish is it's long lasting, and after your gel polish, you can touch it and no mess on it. But if you do the regular one, you have to wait 2 hours or 1 hour to get that dry. But this one, you can do a quick dry using this. It's really good. I love it. I'm so happy, guys. It's my happiness. So that's all for the first package I received. So now let's move to the next package, which is, I don't know. That's from Shein. Oh, you have idea now how to make your Filipina happy, huh? Buy this set to make her happy and to make her learn how to do her own nails. And maybe in the future, she can do business with that, you know? If she can open her own nail salon. Maybe me too, if I learn all these things. But I know how to use this, guys. I just need to learn more practice, you know. Next package. Woo! Let's move to next package. Oh my god. Oh my god, what's this? What? It's purple sandal. Wow. Size 38. So I'm size 8. $4 from Shein. $4 or $5. Look. Hala. Thank you, Shein. And we have purple dress. What kind of dress is this? Oh, like that. Oh, there's more. What? What kind of dress is this? Oh, it's a pants. Like that. A purse. A handbag. Ta-da! This is for my dress. And if you're a vlogger, guys, like me, I really need to change outfits and everything so that everything is new. Everything is new, you know, for the camera and everything. But if it's not for the camera, guys, I would not purchase anything. Ah, it's just like that. Look. Wow.
It's just you and me, boy. 이대로 멈췄으면 좋.
And let's wear the sandal. Wow, I love it. Look at the earrings. It's so nice. Huh? Wow, look. So messy.
So don't take your eyes off me, baby. You're the one that I need. 솔직히
This is the second outfit. It's very simple, guys. It's like going somewhere. I like it. Alright, so let's go to the farm na, guys. I will go to the farm, then work out after, then market. Before I go to the gym, I need lunch first. So this is my lunch. I have sweet potato and paksiw, fish paksiw. So it's a fish with vinegar and garlic.
so don't take your eyes off me, baby. You're the one that I need. 솔직히 말해볼게. 너만을 기다려.
So right now, everyone, we're here in the farm and I will give you an update, the half day of job since morning, of course. And I did a vlog last time. It was Saturday, so now it's Monday. It's first day of the week. So I'm gonna check everything, what's really going on here, what are the progress. That's my job. Let's go. Guys, I think 3 layers left to finish, or 4? Hello. And by the way, guys, this is our main bouquet. Charot. But I like to say it. Yeah, that's not finished yet. We will finish that when everything is set. Oh, I love this one. Really nice. That one. So for my room sliding door, I'm still purchasing the woods for that. I need 20 woods for the window here. Now for the sliding door here, like that, this one, like that, like that. That's all the woods. Then in the middle, it's this big sliding door because I like when I wake up in the morning.
너만을 기다려봤다고. 저 수평선을 건너 우주 끝까지 가볼게. With you. 마지막 순간까지 너와 눈을 감아도 너만 보여. 난 something about you, baby. 아주
Finally, I'm done, guys. So let's go to the market to buy grocery at for mom's kitchen. Let's go.
Ate is the driver. Woo. She's very strong.
Sana all.
She survived the day. She survived, but later is gonna be agoy-agoy.
마지막 순간까지 너
Bilang kilo, te?
250.
눈을 감아도 너만 보여만 서툰
After the market, we're back here in the farm because I'm going to give them the snacks. I'm having my snacks right now. It's bread. Bread. I'm going to have bread soon. This is banana. Mm. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Almost done. Oh my God, Lord. Almost done. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Circuit breaker installation. Window jump. This is ready for door. I can't wait. So guys, we're done here in the farm. Oh my goodness. Ah!